One of the greatest inventions of modern science is electricity. But wait, do you know about Rishi Agastya? Well, let me tell you something that will change your perception. Somewhere between 4000 and 2000 BC, an Indian sage, Agastya, described a method to make electric battery which resembled the modern one, invented much later in 18th century. The ancient text of Agastya Samhita not only describes the method of making electric battery, but it also mentions the process of electroplating and splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. Rishi Agastya has described use of 5 materials in the battery, that are earthen pot, copper sulfate, copper plates, wet sawdust, and zinc amalgam. In this method, an earthen pot is taken in which a clean copper plate is placed. The copper plate is then covered with copper sulfate, above which moist sawdust is placed. To avoid polarization, a zinc amalgam sheet is placed on top of sawdust. A contact would produce an energy known by Mitra Varuna. Here Mitra means cathode and Varuna means anode. When the reaction takes place, the water splits into Pran Vayu, that is oxygen, and Udan Vayu, that is hydrogen. With some tactic, the Udan Vayu thus created can be trapped in an airtight cloth. If that is achieved, owing to self-buoyancy of Udan Vayu, it is possible to create a structure capable of flying in air. In order to intensify the power of electricity, a chain of 100 such jars, known as Shatakumbha, is to be connected. When a cell was formed using this method and measured with a digital multimeter, it had an open circuit voltage of 1.38 volts and a short circuit of 23 milliampere. Not only this, Agastya Samhita also contains an account of using electricity for electroplating. So now, we can proudly say that it was Rishi Agastya, an Indian, who developed the basic method of generating electricity. Indian ancient textbooks are a source of great knowledge for the whole world. Some of the technologies which are now considered were developed in India centuries ago. Thank you.